Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Facebook not showing new posts problem. So if your feed is stuck, outdated, or you're not seeing recent posts from people you follow, just follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings at the top. From there, scroll down to Tab Bar, then tap on Customize the bar. Here, look for Feeds and set it to Pin. This will bring the Feeds option directly to your home screen. Now go back, close the app completely, and reopen Facebook. At this point, you'll see the Feeds tab on your main screen. Tap on it, and this will show you the most recent posts instead of the usual suggested feed. This alone fixes the issue for many people. If that didn't fully solve it, don't worry. Let's move to the next fix. Now we're going to log out and log back in to your Facebook account. Sometimes the app just glitches and stops refreshing properly. To do this, tap the three lines again in the top corner, scroll down, and hit Log Out. Confirm it, and you'll be signed out. After that, close the app completely, reopen it, and simply log back in to your account. Once you're back in, check your feed again. In many cases, this instantly refreshes everything. If you're still having the issue, we'll move to the final solution. Now we're going to do a full reset of the Facebook app. Go to your phone settings, scroll down, then tap Apps and open Manage Apps. Search for Facebook, open it, then go to Storage. Here, tap Clear Data, then choose Clear All Data to fully reset the app. After that, go back and uninstall Facebook completely from your phone. Once it's uninstalled, restart your device to clear any remaining cache or bugs. Then open the Play Store, search for Facebook, and reinstall the app again. After installing, log back into your account and check your feed. And that's it. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the Facebook not showing new posts issue and bring your feed back to normal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.